page 59. 59. I talk to my friends. First listen, then read. What do you see? Here is Robert. I talk to my friends. What do you see? Susan is a teacher. What do you see here? Stan is a waiter. Alex is a mechanic. Kim is a house cleaner. Monica is a salesperson. John is a construction worker. On the next page, jobs. Match the picture with the word. Salesperson, house cleaner, mechanic, construction worker, waiter. Number 1. He is a construction worker. Take your pencil and draw a line. Construction worker. Okay. Match the other words with pictures. Then write your job. What is your job? Or what job have you had? I write, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Maybe you write, I am a cook, or I am a sushi maker, or I am a laundry worker. You write your job. Then text me a picture.